Did you know your feed wants you to have the latest updates in digital marketing? So you're in luck. I'm JB from Belmore Digital with my digital update for this week, Monday, 2nd March 2026. Welcome to the third month of the year. This week, AI can run your A/B test, but it can't think for you. SEO traffic isn't proof of influence anymore. AI has made average content the default. Your contact page is quietly affecting your rankings, and Gmail has made unsubscribing easier than ever. The thread this week? The fundamentals still matter, but the scoreboard has changed. And before I get into it, my Digital Trends 2026 report is out now and it is free. Chock full of detailed strategic insight, it is an essential read for any senior marketer, founder or C-suite leader who wants to stay ahead of the game. Your time won't be wasted. Grab your free copy, the link is in the description, or comment Digital Trends beneath. Now, if you want to know the full story, go read the full post on belmoredigital.com or watch the full-length video right here on my Belmore Digital YouTube channel. So, get in touch to discuss it with me or drop me a follow to get more of my updates in your feed. AI can run your A/B tests, it can't think for you. AI testing tools now generate copy, build experiments and summarize results in minutes. That sounds impressive. It is impressive. It is also dangerous in the hands of someone chasing engagement instead of revenue. Most businesses are not short on test ideas. They are short on commercial clarity. If you optimize for click-through rate without understanding lead quality or margin, AI will happily help you win the wrong game faster. For marketers, this means more responsibility, not less. Speed increases pressure to define the right KPIs. For business owners, it means asking a better question than how many tests did we run? AI should reduce workload. It should not replace judgment. If your testing lacks commercial alignment, that is where our conversions and CRO work comes in. Let's test what actually affects profit. Get in touch to discuss it with me or drop me a follow to get more of my updates in your feed. The dark SEO funnel, or why traffic isn't the point anymore. Traffic is no longer the clean indicator it once was. People discover brands through AI summaries, recommendations, and zero-click answers. Influence often happens before anyone visits your site. If your board report still opens with organic sessions are up, you are reporting activity, not impact. What matters now is branded search growth, high intent page performance, and conversion rates. Fewer visitors can mean better performance if they are the right ones. For marketers, this means changing the narrative internally. For executives, it means resisting the urge to panic when traffic dips while revenue holds steady or improves. SEO has not declined. Attribution has become messier. If your reporting framework has not adapted, our SEO and analytics and performance work is built for this shift. Let's measure influence properly. Get in touch to discuss it with me or drop me a follow to get more of my updates in your feed. AI content is everywhere. Clarity is now the advantage. AI has made it possible for everyone to publish content at scale. The result is a search results page full of technically sound, utterly interchangeable articles. Being optimized is now table stakes. Being clear is the advantage. If your page takes 6 paragraphs to get to the point, someone else will answer the question in 2. For marketing teams, this means less focus on output volume and more on sharpening what already exists. For business leaders, it means questioning whether more content is actually moving revenue or just filling calendars. In many cases, rewriting strong pages beats publishing new ones. If your content feels busy but underwhelming, that is a content strategy and creation issue. We fix that by prioritizing clarity over quantity. Get in touch to discuss this with me or drop me a follow to get more of my updates in your feed. Your contact page is doing more work than you think. Most contact pages look like they were built in 2014 and never revisited. Address, phone, form, done. Meanwhile, search engines use that page to validate your business details and local credibility. Missing hours, inconsistent app information, and vague service areas weaken local signals. From a customer perspective, not explaining what happens after form submission feels amateur. For local businesses, this is low effort and high impact. For larger organisations, it is surprising how often this is ignored. It's not glamorous work, it is basic hygiene. Our local SEO and conversion and CRO services frequently start with fixes like this because they move the needle quickly. If yours has not been reviewed in years, it probably should be. Get in touch to discuss it with me or drop me a follow to get more of my updates in your feed. Gmail just made email retention harder. Gmail has made unsubscribing simple and visible. Unsurprisingly, unsubscribe rates are climbing for brands that rely on frequent generic sends. This is not unfair, it is accountability. If your email strategy is essentially send to everyone and hope, you are now seeing the cost of that approach. For marketers, segmentation and behavioural triggers are no longer optional. For business owners, revenue per subscriber is now a more useful metric than list size. Email still works extremely well when handled properly. It just punishes laziness faster. If retention is slipping, our email and CRM work focuses on tightening segmentation and lifecycle logic before the damage compounds. Get in touch to discuss this with me or drop me a follow to get more of my updates in your feed. And that's a wrap. AI is accelerating execution, platforms are tightening control, customers are filtering harder. If your strategy relies on volume, you will feel the pressure. If it relies on clarity and commercial alignment, you will be fine. And if you are not sure which side you are on, we should probably talk. My Digital Trends 2026 report is out now and it is free. If you're a senior marketer, founder, or in the C-suite, this is the read that will put you at the forefront. Grab your copy, the link is in the description, or comment Digital Trends. If you want help cutting through the noise and turning change into progress, get in touch via the details in my profile. And in the meantime, don't forget to drop me a lovely follow to get more of my updates in your feed. Cheers.